You're looking at one of the most unexpected electric race cars to ever hit the clouds above Colorado. This is the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 N-division. And it's not just any electric crossover anymore, it's been reimagined by Evasive Motorsports for one mission: only climb Pikes Peak as fast as possible. Is the same team that made headlines a few years ago with a Tesla Model 3 tackling the same brutal course, but now they've traded it in for Hyundai's latest electric hot hatch on stilts. And trust us, this is no ordinary Ioniq. Let's start on the outside, because the exterior of this race prepped Ioniq 5N is both radical and race-ready. Are the typical soft edges and smooth finish of a daily driver Evian. Did this thing looks like it belongs on a video game cover? The entire body has been widened dramatically with Voltex designed carbon fiber fender flares. They had to, because the custom forged Titan 7 wheels stick out way past stock dimensions. Those wheels are wrapped in fat Yokohama Advance slicks, and they're capped with aero discs for reduced dragger. Massive carbon fiber front splitter hugs the tarmac up front, while an equally aggressive rear wing pushes the tail down as the altitude climbs. All the factory doors and rear hatch have been tossed in favor of featherweight carbon panels. The underbody's been overhauled with new aero parts. This thing isn't just sculpted for speed, it's surgically carved for air slicing efficiency at over 14,000 feet of elevation, and it's all wrapped in Hyundai's unmistakable N-division livery that gives it a sense of factory-backed legitimacy. Now, if you're wondering about the interior, well, the truth is there barely is one anymore. Evasive stripped nearly everything from the cabin to save weight. Out went the seats, the panels, the carpets, the screens. End came a full IMA engineering roll cage and a single Sparco carbon fiber race seat bolted in for Rob Walker, the guy behind the wheel. There's a racing harness, a fire suppression system, and not much else. But let's shift gears to what you'd get if you bought the Ioniq 5N as a street car, because that's where the real tech story lies. Inside the production model, you'd find a cabin that's far more refined and spacious than you'd expect for a performance EV. It's got suede and leather touches, sporty bucket seats with deep bolsters, and smart ambient lighting that subtly changes with your drive mode. Hyundai kept the layout clean and driver-focused. Massive curved display spans across the dashboard, combining a digital gauge cluster with a responsive infotainment system. It's intuitive and fast with native navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air update capabilities. The steering wheel is a chunky flat bottom piece with customizable N-mode buttons and shift paddles that actually simulate gear changes in this single speed EV. Yeah, they're fake, but they're fun, and they give a surprising level of engagement. There's also a head-up display, performance telemetry, and a premium Bose audio system for those moments when you're not chasing lap times. But let's talk about what really makes the Ioniq 5N tick: performance. The dual motor setup sends a combined 641 horsepower to all four wheels in its overboost mode. That's right, 641 in an EV shaped like a small SUV. Sprints from 0 to 60 in just under 3.5 seconds, and thanks to Hyundai's N-Drift Optimizer and ELSD, this thing corners with precision most gas-powered hot hatches would envy. Even more impressive is how it stays cool under pressure, with a specially developed battery thermal management system to avoid the dreaded fade during spirited runs. Range on the standard street car is around 220 miles, depending on your driving style, but Pikes Peak is all about short bursts of maximum output, so Evasive isn't chasing range, they're chasing Of course, none of this works without a solid battery, and Hyundai delivered. The Ioniq 5N uses an 84 kilowatt-hour pack with 800-volt architecture, meaning it supports ultra-fast charging with a compatible charger. You can go from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes. That's big for track days and road trips alike. Safety-wise, the stock Ioniq 5N comes with a full suite of driver assist tech: forward collision avoidance, blind spot view, assist lane keeping, smart cruise, and even highway driving assist all meet or exceed our safety standards. The race car version loses most of that for weight and simplicity, but the road car is as safe as it is fast. So, how does it all come together? Well, the pros are hard to ignore: blistering performance, styling that's functional, and expressive track-ready software baked into a street-legal armed, the kind of confidence only a full-time AWD system can offer. Downsides: range isn't the best compared to longer-legged EVs in its price bracket, and the ride is stiff, even in comfort mode. But let's be real, this car isn't built to lit. Designed to thrill, and in the hands of Evasive Motorsports, it's now a serious contender on one of the most dangerous and iconic roads in the world. Who is this car for? If you're someone who loves EV tech, but craves the analog joy of driving, if you want a car that feels alive beneath you, if you want to carve canyon roads and not just commute in silence, the Hyundai Ioniq 5N might be exactly what you've been waiting for. And if you're watching the 2025 Pikes Peak hill climb this year, keep an eye out for that white, red, and black blur screaming toward the summit, because Evasive Motorsports didn't just build an electric race car, They've built the future of EV performance on 4 wheels with a Hyundai badge on the nose and a legacy to chase up the mountain.